really think about what your guests want to hear from you. One of the biggest mistakes that brands make is only communicating the things that they want to communicate. Hi, I'm Aimee Roesler, Senior Director of Brand Marketing and Social Media for Target. My team is about 13 people. We post daily across a series of platforms. Target is lucky to have really deep brand love. People often refer to us as their best friend. They look to Target in moments where they're really happy, when they need something, maybe when they're down. Guests talk to us about what they've purchased, that they're going on a Target run. Some call it the Target effect, where you walk into a store not needing really anything and you walk out with a bunch of things that have just brought more joy to your life. When we think about the voice of Target in social, we have crafted based on our brand personality. So Target is relatable, we're fun. In social, we show up as witty and really positive. In order to keep our content fresh, we do lean into a series of different content creators. Some of them have small followings and could be a local influencer that our guests really trust, as well as those people that love Target. It's the magical combination of having a creator who's got a really strong following, who also would naturally be a person that would love what Target has to offer and share that with their fans and their followers. When our guests are reminded of why they love Target in the first place, the store experience, our friendly teams, we do create content that brings them back to the last time they shopped Target. So ASMR, for example, brings them right back to what they love about Target. What I would say to anyone that's starting their own social account is talk to your consumers, talk to those around you who are your super fans. They are the most loyal advocates you could possibly have. They have their own communities, they have people they talk to, and that word of mouth piece is so critically important. Particularly when I think about a platform like Instagram, people are naturally going there for discovery and inspiration. So we do actually look at whether it is video, whether it's still photography, we bring in stickers, we use memes. So I would encourage brands to keep it fresh, keep it interesting, follow what is the latest in social media that people are engaging with so that you're always keeping it new for your followers.